So hi everyone, this is my submission app for Gemini API Developer competition. I have made an app using Gemini API, and in this video I'm going to show you the core functionalities of the app. The core functionalities of the app include this is my app which I have made using the Gemini API, as this app is used for generate for using solving the use cases of text and code for students so that uh, students can use the power of AI and to solve different type of use cases. Uh, as you can see, there is a browse tools button. If I click on that, here are the different tools which I have included in my app. The first tool, if we talk about, is the AI text summarizer. So let's say the user wants to generate a summary of a different articles, then user can use uh, this app, and let's take for example any example for this. Let me grab some text. Okay, so here is some text. No, wait, let me try to grab some text from Wikipedia. So let's say yeah. Okay, so here I'm gonna grab some text from here. So just from here to here. Okay, let's go to the app. Here we will paste the text to here. Okay, and then we will click on this button, generate sample TLDR. TLDR is short form for too long, do too long didn't read. So same way user can generate summary of a large amount of text. If I click on the button, as you can see the request has gone to the API, and it is currently getting the results and processing the text. And let's see when the result comes. Okay, let's wait for some time. There's a slight latency in the app because of when I hosted the backend on render.com. So when the you see came, the results came. Okay, as you can see, there is a summarized version of the text, which user can easily see. So next, going to another app. So AI article generator. So this application can be used for generating articles about any topic. Let's say if I want to generate a topic about the effects of pollution on an environment. Okay, let's go. Let's get to the button. Okay, now the request is going to the API and it is returning the data. See, it gave us the whole entire article about the effects of pollution on environment. Here, as you can see. Okay, so let's move to the next step. The next step is a shell command generator. So there are times when developers use different types of terminal and they want to know like what will be the specific command for a particular use case. Okay, so let's say there is a file from which we want to count the number of lines in that text file. So we want the command for that. We want the shell command for that. So here you can enter. Give me a command for counting the number of lines in a text file. Okay, let's go. Let's click on this button. As you can see, wc-l is the command. Here the AI is also telling us that we have to replace the file name with the original file name which the user wants to take the number of lines in that file. Okay, let's move to the next step, code explainer. Okay, so this particular app can be used to just grab a piece of code and explain it. Okay, so let's, for example, let's go to Versal AI SDK. So, okay, I'm gonna grab a short piece of code from here. Uh, let's see where I can find some code. Okay, no, not this. Okay, yeah, let's see. I copy this particular code and paste it in my app. Let's see what the AI response. Okay, as you can see, this our Gemini API responded with a result that the code snippet is an AI library to generate vegetarian lasagna recipe. Let's break it down to step by step. Importing libraries, using the to generate text function, getting the generated text. In summary, this code snippet requires because the GPT-4 model to generate a vegetarian. I did see it explained the every bit of the code which was. This is the exact thing which this code is doing. Okay, so this is a very useful app which users can use. Next, we can move to bug finder. Okay, let's see what the bug finder application does. This application just if you just put a random code piece of code here. Let's say I just take this code only and I just introduce a bug. Okay, let's say I don't mention the name of the model. Let's see what if this Gemini API is able to get that error. So as you can see, the bug lies in the line. That problem you are trying to use the Gemini function in this SDK and generate text. This is in the generate text. However, the project code summary doesn't show how the generate text function is defined. So can't be set in over the possible. It is also suggesting what can be a possible fix. Okay, as you can see, it is also mentioning the that name of the model should be mentioned. So this is also one of the app. Next, I will move to the idea generator. Oh, this is a cool one. So let's say I want give me 20 names or name of uh, dog. Pet dog. Let's see what the AI comes up with. As you can see, 20 names for pet dog, classical language. It has also given us the category of the names: Atticus, Clementine, Jasper. Oh, Jasper is a good one. Luna, Oliver. As you can see, the API is correct, giving us correct results. Okay, let's move to the next. Uh, anything to text to simple. Okay. Let's say you come across a very complicated text which you are not able to understand, right? So just let's take this piece of text. This is a really good definition about artificial intelligence. We want to know it in simple words. Okay, so let's pass this text to the app and let's see what it gives out. Okay, let's see, generate simple word. Let's go and see what AI comes up with. Imagine a really smart computer like a super brain. This computer learns thinking just like you. Think. See, it explained the word artificial intelligence just like it will be explaining to a 10-year-old. Okay, so it kinds of helps the user to understand the whole context of artificial intelligence and whatever the text was mentioned here, it was in a technical manner, but this the result from the API which we got that was in a very easy and easier to grasp words. Okay, so now moving to the last application, text to SQL query. Okay, so this one is for the developers. Let's say there is a query from our team that they want to interact with the database and they get the total number of records in a particular database. Okay, so let's enter that query. Give the SQL query for SQL query for counting the number of rows in the database. Let's open. Oh, as you can see, it gave it the correct SQL query. Select count star from the table name. Explanation. It has also given the explanation, and it's working. So yeah, this is my app which I have developed using different tools. So I will explain you about my app. What is the tech stack about? The tech stack is on React.js. The front end is on React.js. The back end is using a Express.js server. So I have hosted my Express.js server on render.com, and let me log into that. And okay, so as you can see, I went to the dashboard, and I need to log in first. Okay, let me log in. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, there is a deployed service name called text code written in the AI model. Okay, as you can see, uh, the logs that all the user activity is being uh, here mentioned here. This is not a best practice, but I have kept it for sake of knowing what user is doing, and because the app is in the development phase only, so that's why I have also logged what the users. So all the activity which we done just now is showing in the logs of render on the post. And if we talk about the front end is hosted on Vercel, as you can see, the link. And if we go to the link, visit it, you can easily see that it has been deployed successfully and it's working. Okay, thanks. And thank you very much. This is my application for the Gemini API Developer competition. Hoping that my apps get selected. Thank you.